Yeah, we back here with a new pickup for y'all, you feel me? I got these Flyknit trainers, you feel me? I fucking being healthy, living fit, you know, going to the gym and doing all that shit, man. So I got some new, Fangy shoes, you feel me? So I could be, sexy, you feel me? So here it is, man, the new Nike Flyknit trainer, man. Yeah, so let me take y'all to the side of the shoe. There it is. That's the side of the shoe, you feel me? I saw Kanye wore these and I was like, damn, I gotta get those shits, man. Cause I love Kanye, man. That's my nigga right there, man. That's my motherfucking nigga, man. I wanna be like Kanye, man. He's so cool. His wife got the big old booty, man. Man, he got lots of money. And he got lots of clothes and shoes, man. And he got make the nice music, man. So, yeah, so I bought these shoes. I saw Kanye wear it, so I like, damn, I gotta get them shoes, man. But I ain't got the money, so I got the fake shits, man. You feel me? Yeah, so these fake, man. I don't give no shits, man. I work my way up. I'll get the real shits one day, man. You feel me? I'll get the real shits. But for now, I'm just gonna fuck with these fake shits. You feel me? I don't really know how these supposed to be, cause I just got these, cause Kanye my nigga, and they comfy. I recommend going ordering the size down. So if you wear a size 11, get the 10. You wear a size a 10, you get the shit, cause they're fucking the replica size, man. They fucking up their shit, man. I don't even know what size to get, man. So I recommend ordering whatever size you will, yeah. So that's the shoe. That's a lot of people I've been reading comments. They said this shit looks stupid or something like that. I don't know, man. Shit, I fucking fuck, man. And that's a little tag right there says Nike Flyknit trainer. You feel me? Yeah, I had to throw away the box because that shit was ruined, man. So I know Kanye got the box though. So I need to get myself one of them boxes to be like Kanye, man. I love you, Kanye.